Welcome to Mix of Video Norway.
Volvo C40 Recharge. Explore our first all-electric crossover. Pixel headlights for increased visibility. 20 with 5 spokes black diamond cut. "24 minutes fast charge 80%, 408 horsepower. Power mode. "447 kilometers. Electrical range. 4.7s. Acceleration 0 to 100 kilometers h. 360 degrees parking camera. You park effortlessly, even in tight spaces, with 4 cameras in 360 degrees perspective and ambient sensors that warn of objects next to the car. Vehicles, pedestrians and cyclists moving in the direction of the car can be detected at certain speeds and under certain conditions. The detection systems are dependent on illuminated conditions and require the vehicle's headlights and taillights to operate in the dark. The driver is at all times responsible for safe driving. The driver support functions should not replace the driver's attention and judgment. Cross-traffic alert may have limited functionality in certain situations. Brake stops only work at lower speeds. The security features vary depending on the model and sales version you choose. Back effortlessly. Cross-traffic alert with automatic brake supports you when reversing with limited visibility. The system detects vehicles from behind, and automatic braking is activated if necessary, easy on the hustle and bustle of busy traffic. The blind zone information system, BLIS, actively supports you in changing lanes. If there is a risk of a collision with other vehicles in the oncoming lane, BLIS will carefully adjust the steering to guide you, the car and those you love to where you are going. Beautiful sound for the senses. This optional premium sound system provides a refined sound performance you can feel around you. Regardless of genre, it will draw you in and let you enjoy every moment. Indulge in music. The system is powered by a 600 watts digital amplifier combined with 13 hi-fi speakers, including an air-ventilated subwoofer. Tailored to Volvo's interior acoustics, here an in-depth sound experience awaits. Optimized speaker performance. The unique sound processing software DECOR Unison tuning optimizes the response of the speakers, both individually and as a system, to ensure that they work together in perfect harmony. Modern design and a leatherless interior set the mood of the C40 Recharge. Cleaner air in the car. The advanced air purifier from Volvo keeps up to 80% harmful air particles of the type PM2.5 outside the car, as part of the world's first air quality system. Thus, everyone in the car can enjoy better and healthier air quality, no matter how the conditions are on the outside. You can even monitor the particle and pollen levels outside the car. Hold the lane. Your Volvo can send a subtle vibration through the steering wheel, thus helping you steer back in the lane, should you inadvertently start moving towards the roadside. Avoid collisions. You get help from Volvo's intelligent safety technology that alerts you to other vehicles, pedestrians and large animals, both day and night. It works so that it first alerts you and then switches on automatic braking if you do not react. Protective body. The advanced body and a unique safety cage around the battery are designed to protect all passengers during a collision, including the passengers in other cars. Backlit decor sets the interior tone. Best navigation in its class. With Google Maps seamlessly integrated into the C40 Recharge, you get real-time traffic information and automatic redirection to reach your destination with ease. Built-in Google. You get direct access to your favorite apps like Google Assistant and Google Maps and more, via Google Play for a helpful, personal and seamless driving experience. Google Assistant. Google Assistant gives you easy access to directions and entertainment, as well as lets you stay in touch with family, friends and colleagues, without taking your hands off the wheel. Just say hello Google to get started. Google Play. Download C40 Recharge apps and services via Google Play and stay connected to your digital life for a more entertaining and comfortable ride. Always up to date. The C40 Recharge receives automatic cloud updates and lets you take advantage of a car that is constantly improving and updating to the latest and greatest version. On the inside, the C40 Recharge has the high seating position that most Volvo drivers prefer, and the car is available with colors and decor options that are unique to the model. This is also the first Volvo model with a completely leather-free interior. Luggage compartment volume. 413 liters. Length 4,440 millimeters. Width 1,873 millimeters. Height 1,591 millimeters. Maximum trailer weight 1,800 kilograms. Electrical energy consumption combined 20 kilowatt hours, 100 kilometers. Thanks for watching.
Like this video. Write a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now.